See this? Verify that adjoint of a diagonal matrix of order 3 is a diagonal matrix. Even though I am doing it for order 3, we can think of it for even order n also. If we have a order n diagonal matrix, and if you find out the adjoint of that matrix, the resulting matrix is also going to be diagonal. So for now I am going to do it for a 3 by 3 matrix, but it can be extended to order n as well. I have just taken a 3 by 3 matrix which is diagonal. I think you remember what a diagonal matrix is. All the elements other than the principal diagonal element should be zeros, but the principal diagonal elements need not be necessarily 1 or need not be equal. Okay, so here that is why I am writing LMN. Fine. And now I want to find out the cofactors of each element of the matrix, and I want to replace each element with that. If you observe it, this element, the cofactor of this element is Mn. You can remove this row and this column, and the remaining is Mn, right? And if you observe this, the cofactors of this element is Ln, right? So likewise you can replace all the cofactors. You can observe that other than the principal diagonal elements, all the other elements are going to have cofactors as zeros in case if the original diagonal is original matrix is diagonal. And then after finding out the cofactors, we have to find out the transpose, isn't it? That is adjoint. So and it turns out that it is a symmetric matrix, which means the transpose is also going to be the same. So this is the diagonal this is the adjoint of the 3 by 3 diagonal matrix. Alright, so which is also going to be a diagonal matrix. So it is not just valid for a matrix of order 3, it is valid for any matrix. You can apply this for even n by n matrix also. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.